in the given problem, a leveling tabular form is given to you, where the readings are given to you, but somehow there are some missing readings and we need to find out those missing readings. So if you take a look at the data, here in second row, intermediate station point is missing and reduced level is also missing. So you need to calculate all reduced levels and all in 2 marks, which are the question, which you need to find out from the basic principles. Right? So how do we do it? So we come through the basic principles and we'll find out them. So it's not that much difficult problem. So by practice you will get it. So what is rise? So rise or fall is defined as difference of 2 consecutive readings. We know this. Difference of consecutive staff readings. That is backside minus intermediate side or intermediate side minus intermediate side or intermediate side minus fourth side. This is right. Whereas reduced levels we can calculate as previous reduced level. You need to have the previous reduced level in order to calculate that station reduced level. Previous reduced level plus corresponding rise or minus corresponding fall in order to calculate the reduced level of that station. So this is how the basic principles are. We use these basic principles and we'll find out. So this value can be calculated as, so this minus this will give you this value. This minus this you will get this value. So when you are getting rise, so this value is less than this. So 3.650 minus 2.750 will give you a value of 0.910. So how would I get 0.910? Right? 3.650 minus 2.750, we will get that 0.910. We'll do one thing, we'll mark all these points with numbers. Let me say this has 1. Okay? I'm writing down the reason how I got 0.910. Now 0.910, so if you want to calculate the rise or fall, so consecutive difference 0.910 minus 2.830 will give you this value, right? Let me take this as 2. So 2 value is given by 0.910 minus 2.830, which gives a value of 1.930. So this value is 1.930. This minus this will give you this value. So let me take this as 3. So 3 value is given by 2.830 minus 3.640 equals to 0.810. So this is 0.810. Fine. Now this minus this will give you this value. So 3.640 minus 2.42. Let me take this as fourth one. Fourth is given by 3.640 minus 2.42 will give you 220. So this is 1.220. This value minus this value will give you this value, right? This minus this, you have got fall. If you are getting fall, then this value is less than this value. So 2.410 minus 1.310 will give you a value of 1.090. So if you want to cross verify, you can verify. 1.090 minus 2.410 will give you minus 1.320. Now this minus this will give you a value of this sixth one. Sixth one is given by 2.410 minus 2.320 will give you a value of 0.090. So this is 0.090. Right. Next, this minus this value will give you the seventh one. So 2.7 value given by 2.320 minus 3.3 will give you a value of 0.680. So this is 0.680. So this minus this is negative, so that is why positive. Now this minus of this value will give you this value 8. So 8 is given by 3.000 minus of minus 2.170 will give you a value of 5.170, which is positive. So this will be 5.170. Now this minus this will give you this value. So 90 is given by minus 2.170 plus 2.750 will give you a value of plus 0.580, which is here. So what I am doing, I am just taking this difference of two consecutive steps. So this minus this will give you this value. Take a look. This minus this is negative minus 2.750. Next, this minus this will give you this value, but two unknowns are there. You cannot find them. So summation of all these three values is given to you as 6.490. So you can get this value by deducting the summation of these values from here. So let me take this as 10th one. .490 minus 3.65 plus 1.090 equals to, you will get this value as 1.750. Silence please. Silence please. This value is 1.750. Now this minus this will give you this value, which is again fall. So this value would be more because we are getting negative. So 1.750 plus 1.220 will give you that. 1.750 plus 1.320 will give you a value of 3.070. System 3.070. So calculate user 1.750 minus 3.070 you will get minus 1.320, which is you should write it all. So this is how you will fill up these back sides into mid sides and four sides. So reduced level I have already told you very clearly. So reduced level of this value can be calculated as this minus this. So this plus this will give you this value, right? If it is so reduced level, rise and fall. These three columns we will use in order to calculate the reduced level. Fine. So you will get this value as 108.260. You have to take a look whether it rise or fall. If it's rise, you have to add this value. You will get as this value is 311.010. Now, if you want to get this reduced level, previous reduced level, rise or fall? Fall. So minus 1.930. So 311.010 minus 1.930 will give you a value of 109.080. Similarly, this value as 108.270. This value as 109.490. So please calculate from here to here and check the summation of four sides. You need to all add four sides. You need to add all rise. You need to add all falls and do this. Last reduced level minus first reduced level. So the check we have discussed in previous classes. Summation of backside minus summation of foreside equals to summation of rise minus summation of fall, that equals to last reduced level minus first reduced level. If this check is okay, it tells that calculations part only calculations are correct. This does not mean that your field survey is correct. Only calculations are without error.